What if I told you your body begins aging long before you see wrinkles? By the time you notice the outside, the biggest changes have already happened inside. Right now, while you're watching this, something extraordinary is happening inside your body. Around 30 million of your cells are dying every second. Millions more are replacing them. For most of your life, this invisible repair system works almost perfectly. But sometime after 40, the balance quietly begins to change. Not all at once, not dramatically, just enough that your body slowly becomes less efficient at repairing itself. You won't notice it tomorrow, but over the next 10 years, these tiny changes begin shaping everything from your strength to your memory to how long you may live. The first signs of aging don't happen on your skin. They begin inside every single cell. Hidden inside each cell are tiny protective caps called telomeres. Think of them as the plastic tips on a shoelace. Every time a cell divides, those protective caps become slightly shorter. For decades, your body keeps up. Then one day, the repair simply isn't as perfect anymore. The damage doesn't suddenly appear. It quietly accumulates. Around your 40s, your muscles begin changing, even if your weight stays the same. Beginning around this stage of adulthood, people often lose small amounts of muscle mass each year unless they remain physically active. Less muscle doesn't just affect strength. Muscle tissue helps regulate metabolism, supports balance, and plays an important role in everyday movement. Because the change is gradual, many people don't notice it until tasks that once felt effortless begin to require more effort. By the time you reach your 40s, another invisible change is already underway. Your hormones, the body's chemical messengers, begin sending quieter signals. Growth hormone gradually declines. Sex hormones slowly change. Even stress hormones become more difficult to regulate. You may still look the same on the outside, but deep inside, your body's communication network is becoming less efficient. Your brain doesn't stop learning after 40, but it begins working differently. Certain connections become stronger through experience. Others become less efficient, simply because they aren't used as often. This is why a familiar name can suddenly feel just out of reach, only to return moments later. It's not always a sign of disease. Often, it's simply part of the brain's natural evolution. Your heart has already beaten more than 1.5 billion times. Every beat pushes blood through nearly 100,000 kilometers of blood vessels. Over decades, those vessels naturally become a little less flexible. The heart adapts. It keeps pumping, day after day, year after year, often without you noticing anything has changed. Most people imagine bones as lifeless structures. They're not. Your skeleton is constantly rebuilding itself. Old bone is broken down. New bone is created. When you're younger, rebuilding usually keeps pace. After 40, that balance often begins to shift. The process becomes slower, so gradual that you rarely notice it happening. Many people blame age alone for changes in their metabolism. The truth is more complex. As muscle mass gradually changes and daily movement often decreases, the body may use energy differently than it did years earlier. Small lifestyle habits, repeated over time, can have a bigger influence than many people realize. It's rarely one dramatic event. It's thousands of ordinary days adding up. So far, everything you've seen has been happening silently. No pain, no warning, no dramatic symptoms. But the next changes may surprise you even more. Because after 40, your immune system, inflammation levels, and even the way your body repairs itself begin following a very different rhythm. And most people never realize it's happening until years later. For decades, Your immune system has quietly protected you every second. It recognizes viruses, repairs damaged tissue, and removes worn-out cells before they become a problem. But after 40, this remarkable defense system gradually changes. Scientists call this immunosenescence, the slow aging of the immune system. It doesn't stop working. It simply becomes less efficient at responding to new challenges. The difference is subtle, until one day, recovery seems to take just a little longer than it used to. As we age, the body can develop a low level of ongoing inflammation. Unlike the redness or swelling you notice after an injury, this type often remains invisible. Researchers sometimes refer to it as inflammaging. It's one reason scientists are studying how long-term inflammation may influence healthy aging. You can't feel it. You usually can't see it. Yet your body is constantly working to keep it under control. When you fall asleep, your body doesn't shut down. It gets to work. Cells repair damage. Hormones are released. Proteins are recycled. Your brain clears away waste products accumulated throughout the day. As we grow older, deep sleep often becomes shorter. That means the body's nightly maintenance crew has less time to do its job. Every meal you eat, every step you take, every night you sleep, every stressful moment, your body remembers. Not like a diary, but through millions of tiny biological adjustments happening every single day. Healthy habits don't stop aging, but they help your body adapt to it more effectively. The small decisions repeated over years often matter more than dramatic changes made for only a few weeks. Here's something remarkable. Most of the cells inside your body today weren't there years ago. Many tissues are constantly renewing themselves. Your skin, your blood, even parts of your skeleton. You are not the same biological person you were 10 years ago. You are the result of billions of tiny repairs, repeated every single day. Aging doesn't begin the day you notice your first wrinkle. It begins quietly, deep inside trillions of living cells, long before you ever see the signs. The remarkable part isn't that your body grows older. It's that after decades of non-stop work, it continues rebuilding, repairing, and protecting you every single day. Every heartbeat, every breath, every step. Your body has been fighting for you since the day you were born. Perhaps the greatest miracle isn't avoiding aging. It's how long the human body continues adapting despite it. The question isn't whether you'll grow older. The question is, how well will you help your body through the journey? If this documentary changed the way you think about your own body, take a moment to like the video and subscribe. Because every week, we uncover the hidden science inside the human body, explained through cinematic storytelling that helps you see yourself in a completely new way. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world living beneath your skin.